Imagine your radio suddenly going silent, your connection to the world abruptly cut off. That's exactly what happened on December 14th, when the most powerful solar flare in over 6 years erupted from the sun, causing radio blackouts on Earth. This wasn't an ordinary flare, but an X-class solar flare, the most potent of its kind, with a magnitude of 2.8. The origin of this flare was a sunspot known as AR 3514. It released a wave of solar radiation so intense that it disrupted Earth's magnetic field. This disruption caused a massive radio blackout over the Americas. It was as if the sun had momentarily pulled the plug on our planet's communication systems. But this solar flare wasn't just a random event, it was a clear signal of something larger looming on the horizon. The sun didn't simply stop at giving us a light show, it launched a coronal mass ejection, CME, that could hit Earth on December 17. This celestial event has the potential to trigger a moderate to major geomagnetic storm. Such storms can disrupt our technology, but they can also paint the skies with breathtaking auroras. The sun's activity is not random. It follows an 11-year cycle known as the solar cycle, which peaks during the solar maximum. Our current solar cycle has been particularly active, with 21 X-class flares since it began in 2019. This year alone, we've witnessed 12. An X-class flare is the most powerful category of solar flare, and it's not something to be taken lightly. Each flare represents a massive release of energy, equivalent to millions of hydrogen bombs. Initially, scientists predicted a relatively quiet solar maximum for this cycle. However, the sun has proven to be full of surprises. Updated predictions now suggest a more active solar maximum arriving in early 2024. This means we should prepare for more solar flares, CMMEs, and potentially even more spectacular auroras. But it's not all doom and gloom. Our understanding of the sun and its cycles continues to grow with each event. Every flare and CME provides invaluable data to scientists, helping us better predict and prepare for these solar eruptions. So, as we brace for the CME impact, it's clear that our sun is waking up from its slumber. But what does all this mean for us and for our sun? This solar flare is a clear sign indicating the sun's explosive peak, the solar maximum, is on the horizon. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe,